Using Easiway Dip Tank Solution makes reclaiming easy. Here's what you need to know to successfully set up your dip tank with Easiway's specialized dip tank solution and how to use it in your reclaiming process. Unlike other emulsion removers, Easiway Dip Tank Solution is uniquely formulated to efficiently soften ink and remove emulsion in one application, saving you valuable time and labor. First, you need to card off any excess ink out of your screen. If you leave an excessive amount of ink in there, it will take longer for your stencil to soften and make your reclaiming process that much longer. Any excessive ink that drips to the bottom of your tank is going to create a sludge, sit at the bottom, and then your screen might actually sit on top of it and then transferring it to your washout booth, getting all over everything, and you definitely don't want that. If you're refilling a dip tank, make sure there's no leftover residue from chemicals or emulsion left in the bottom of the tank. Today we're using a 30-gallon tank, so we're going to fill it with 25 gallons of water, and then we'll add our 5 gallons of Easiway's dip tank solution. Depending on the size of your dip tank, just make sure that you're keeping your solution to water ratio 1:5. After we've filled it with our 25 gallons of water, we're going to add 5 gallons of our Easiway dip tank solution. Adding the chemical after the water keeps the foaming down to a minimum. Dip your screens into the tank and wait approximately 30 seconds to a minute depending on the thickness of your stencil. A thicker stencil will take longer for the solution to break down the emulsion. Thinner stencils will break down faster in your reclaim process. It is okay for a small amount of emulsion to come off into your dip tank, but ideally you want it to soften in the dip tank but be removed in your reclaim process in your washout booth. It is recommended to use a pressure washer during your reclaim process, but if you have a hose with a spray attachment, that can work as well. Follow up with your multi-purpose ink stain and haze remover to finalize your reclaiming process. Over time, your levels and effectiveness will decrease through your daily usage. Adding more solution to get your levels full is super easy. You just follow the 1:5 ratio of your solution to water. And a simple way to maintain consistency is to just mix up 1 or 2 gallons at a time and add it until back to full. Easiway Dip Tank Solution, only available at screenprinting.com.